How to download Roblox on your PC or laptop. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Roblox on your PC or laptop so you can start playing your favorite Roblox games. Start by opening your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and go to the Roblox website. Next, sign in to your Roblox account. If you don't have one yet, you can create an account for free. Once you're signed in, select any Roblox game and click the play button. If Roblox isn't installed on your computer, you'll see a prompt asking you to download and install Roblox. Click Download and Install Roblox to continue. After the installer file has been downloaded, open it and wait for Roblox to finish installing on your PC or laptop. Once the installation is complete, Roblox will launch automatically, and you'll be ready to start playing. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Roblox on your PC or laptop. If you found this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.